Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream soap at home. This delightful product combines the cleansing power of soap with the light, airy texture of whipped cream, offering a truly luxurious experience. It is incredibly versatile, serving as a body wash, shaving cream, or even a hand soap. You can easily customize it with your favorite fragrances and colors, making it a perfect personalized treat or a thoughtful gift. Get ready to create something wonderful. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need about 1 pound of a good quality melt and pour soap base, which forms the foundation of your whipped soap. For fragrance, select your favorite essential or fragrance oils. About 1 to 2 teaspoons should be sufficient. Don't forget a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, a heat-safe bowl, and a digital scale to ensure precise measurements. A few drops of skin-safe colorant can also add a beautiful visual touch. Now for the fun part, mixing and whipping. First, cut your melt and pour soap base into small cubes and melt it gently in a microwave in 30-second intervals, or use a double boiler. Once melted, let it cool slightly for about 10 minutes. Then, pour the liquid soap into your stand mixer bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of a nourishing carrier oil, your 1 to 2 teaspoons of fragrance, and a few drops of colorant. Whip on medium-high speed for 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches a light, fluffy, and opaque consistency, forming soft peaks. Once your whipped soap has reached its perfect consistency, it's time for the finishing touches. Transfer the fluffy soap into a piping bag and pipe it beautifully into your chosen jars or containers. This step adds a professional and appealing look. Allow the soap to set and harden at room temperature for at least 24 hours before use. For optimal freshness, store your homemade whipped cream soap in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. When stored correctly, it will maintain its delightful texture and fragrance for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.